What's up, guys? My name is Ken Desmond. I'm just a new Forex beginner, and this afternoon I want to show you how my work is. I want to be this is my YouTube channel. This is my new YouTube channel. So I'll be posting my work, everything I'm doing, starting up my Forex journey from here. So I'll be keeping my details here to keep me accountable of whatever I'm doing as a trader. And I've trained myself, undergone training, learn how to trade. So I'm one of Fire Peaks mentee. So it was under Jeffrey Benson. You may not say, okay, want me to immediately begin to replicate what he has done. So I'm just starting up, and because Forex trading is dynamic. So as I'm entering into the charts consistently, doing my own thing, then I'll be understanding the chart. Then it will help me to also build my own strategy. All of you guys know his strategy, and that's what I'll be starting with for now. So I may be using his strategy, but using it does not mean I will immediately emerge. His mindset is not yet there with me, and it's also his trading psychology. So there are the things, as time goes on, I will be developing them so that I can profit from the market. I have an account with me here that I want to start trading with, and it's a pro firm account from 10 trade. It's just an account of 3,000. So I'm starting up this trade today. It's not gonna be easy. The time is already late. I missed the morning catch up. I didn't catch up in the morning, so it's already 12:40 now, and today is Monday, 21st October. So I'm starting my training journey from here, and I pray I will make it to the top. I'll make it to the top. Please, you guys should be keeping me accountable. If you see anything I posted, maybe you need to correct me, please try and correct me. I'm just starting up. I'm just learning. I'm just trying to build myself. So that's why I'm keeping my things here. As you can see now, this is my chart. This is GBP USD. You all know that Jeffrey Benson. His pair is GBP USD, and that's what I'm using to start for now. So that's the pair I'll be using to start up my trading journey. So what I want to show what the market, what I'm anticipating the market to do. We all know you cannot tell the market what to do. Like Jeff used to say, you wait for the market to give you a sign, then you react, then you act on what they give you. So this is 4-hour time frame. It's a 4-hour time frame, and GBUSD has been on downtrend now for like weeks now. Has been on downtrend. So, but here, using 4-hour time frame now, we're on downtrend as our major trend. So, going to 1-hour time frame to get my current trend now is still downtrend. So it's still downtrend because market has bought and now is selling. Currently is selling now. So what I'm seeing now, the market. So this is psychological level. 1.3000. This is my low of the week. Then this is the high of the week. So from here, market has go to my 15 minutes time frame. So market has everything I'm using just about the strategies of Jeffrey Benson, because he's my mentor. So I'll be using them for now to build my trading journey, build my psychology, use it to enter markets. Then as time goes on, since Forex market is so dynamic, so what I'll be seeing daily will help me to be growing my mindset, growing my strategies, growing everything about me in trading. So now I use trend line, psychological levels, high and low of the week. So that the major things, major conferences are used in trading. So currently now, okay, this is first touch on this trend line. Then the price tanked so up, now came down, made a second touch here, still went up. And this is Friday trade. This is high. It's a high of Friday trade. This is the highest of Friday trade. So now still came down, tried to retest, went up again, and come to this third touch of the trend line. Now it has broken that trend line. Just a minus trend line. It has broken it, and came down. So now this trend line is no longer relevant to the current market. Now it's not important to me again. So I'll wait. Okay, I'm going to get rid of it because currently now it's no longer in use. So I will delete it. So I'll wait for what the price is doing now. So what I'm waiting for the market to do, I'm about to sell. I'm about to sell from here. So why am I selling? This is the low of the week. I'm waiting this price to come up there, then I sell. Because market will no longer go that far up. It has touched, this is the first touch here. Once I've drawn this trend line already. This is the first touch here. This is second touch here. This one is third touch here. So this one won't go far again to break it. So it's come down to break it. But I'm just anticipating. I'm not saying okay, that's what that must be happening. I'm waiting for this price. When it went up here, I'm waiting for it to break now. So, but if it continues to go up, I will not enter any trade. I'll wait and see any other time for me to react. But for now, this is what I want to do. I want to sell. So when it gets up here, the time is we're already in London, New York session, 1:07 p.m. So when the market price goes up there, I begin to short. So I'm expecting the short to come more down, because since this morning market has been selling since morning, since okay, this is Sunday, so this is Friday trade, not when market open. So open and still sold down, went up, keep on selling. So we are on high sell. And this serves as this is the neck. This is the neck. This one is the major neck for this one. So market can hardly go up again. So now when you get to this place, it's my low of the week. I begin to sell. So that's what I'm saying. Accounts here. There are 3,000 accounts from 10 trade profit. So I'll be placing my trade right now. So I missed morning trade. So this is how it's. So I'm waiting. As a forex trader, you should be waiting. Patience. That's what I learned from my mentor. So that's all for now. This is how the trade is going. So I was supposed to enter this trade at this point. So unfortunately the price didn't let her reach that place again. So I now enter one position because I was expecting the price to go up there so that I will enter my position. So unfortunately it didn't reach, so I have to enter one position. What do I mean by that? So since that my account is 3,000, so the position size calculator is 3,000 USD. So I'm risking 1% risk that I can give her for this trade right now. So is a 0.3 loss size. So for 10 pips, the breaking space I'm giving my trade is 10 pips. So you see it here, 10 pips. It's 9.2 here. So I divided it into 4 places. So divided into 4 places, it will be 0.07 per position into 4 places. So, but I don't have to risk it because it didn't reach. I was expecting the price to reach that point. So I have to use only one position. So now it's 10.36 USD right now. So instead of this 0.07 into 4 places. So this is the trade here. This is the trade. So I now enter one position instead of 4, because where I was expecting the price to reach, it didn't reach. So I entered that one position expecting when the price goes up again, I should add more. So but when it went up, it still went up. This bullish. But I said let me leave it because let me know what it will do. So I didn't enter any other position, and I've calculated my size. So I just use only one position to run. So right now the price has went down, and I'm already in profit. 9.66, almost 10 now. So if I had used that 4 positions, if I opened them, it would have been, that's 9 times 5. Okay, let me say 10 into 4. That's almost 40 something USD. And so I'll be watching this trade right now. If it keeps on hesitating in this point, then I will have to close. But if it passes this area, if it goes down and retrace, that means I will add more position, but I will wait. This candle is going to close in 10 minutes. So when it closes, I will know what next. If it closes healthy, that means it may go more down. But if the candle closes with some weak rejection, that means I'm gonna be careful. So that's the update right now. What's up, guys? This is what's going on now. So finally the trade, it went for my favor. So now I'm up profit. I'm up $28. So what did I do now? So I entered with one position initially with this 9.2 stop loss point. So but what later happened is I now, after the price went down and broke this level, so I now say, okay, since it has broken and I'm sure it won't go up again, then what happened after the price broke this level? And I know that after breaking it won't go up again. It will only retrace and continue going. So that's why I entered this point. I now entered the three other positions. So this is my stop loss, and if you see, this stop loss is also still okay. It's 7.9 like this thing, 7.9 stop loss point. So I'm not risking it much. I will still begin to break even now. But this first position, I broke even here. The first position, I broke even at this point on top of the trend line because it won't go up again. So the price is still going down. So this is what. So I'm waiting. The price might pass the psychological level. This is the psychological level. If it passes it, I will still hold. But I'm just watching. When this candle closes, I'll watch what the next candle will do. So you can see the stop loss. See, this is the stop loss, still the same thing. 1.20163. See the 1.201, that's the price. So it's still 7 point something. So all of them, they are stop loss. So I don't put take profit. I will do manual closing. That's mental stop. So that's what's going on now. If it closes with weak rejection, but the momentum of this trade, I'm not sure it will close like this. It's gonna stay bad. It's gonna stay sell. So before I will close. But since psychological levels is a strong point where people places their trade, stop loss and take profit. So I will consider closing. But to let this candle close first, brings down another candle, then I will now close all the trades. So that's my plan. What's up, guys? So I'll finally close the trade. So I've closed the trade. I finally ended in $3,026. So this is the trade. These are the trades. So I have to close at the moment because when the price gets to the psychological levels, already I know that this psychological level, there are levels where people places their stop loss, their limit, their buy limits, sell limits. So that point, so when the price, the first candle closed, this first one closed, then when the second one came out, it was pushing up, pushing down, pushing up, pushing down. So what again made me to close it is that I saw these ones here. So even though it's looking as if it is passing still going down, so I'm not regretting at all. But I've closed my trade already. So that's psychological level. That point. So I have to close at the moment. Though the candles are held, it will still go down, but I've closed. So I've closed. So I now learned something. I suppose those other trades are supposed to have entered here, those other remaining positions. But what happened? I don't know how I will show this. Maybe this candle, when it went down, it now retraced, and is even about for the candle for the time to exhaust. It now retraced, and also let me wait, let it feel back again, let it feel back before I enter another trade. Let me in 5 minutes, you know that okay, it didn't show you. It didn't show. So when it retraced back, I was thinking, what's going on? So later it began to go short, began to go sell again. So at the moment the price is still going down, but I've closed. So the whole thing that happened here is that my positions initially, I wanted to enter from here, expecting the price to reach before I now short, but it didn't reach. So what I now do, then enter one position now sold. When this buy retraced back, I wanted to enter. Well, I was like, what I'm seeing here, these higher highs. I was thinking maybe price will something like trying to buy. So that I just leave it. Let me run with only that one position. Okay, but fortunately the thing still went that began to sell. So I now enter the other ones there. After this candle now closed and retraced, I now enter exactly at this point. I now enter. So to this psychological level. And that is why I closed in 27.44 profits. So, and that's all for today. Today is what? Today is Monday, 21st October. So I'll wait till tomorrow to continue the trade. Though today I plan to risk 1% of this account, which is $30. No, normally is 1.5. That's trading both morning and union session. I just, even if I lose half, even if I use 0.5%, that should be $15 in London session. Then it still remains for me $30. That's 1% in New York. So that's how I plan. That's how I want to be trading. So I did not trade in the morning. That was that made me not to catch up what I planned. So the way it was today, I've traded and I've closed for today. Then I'll wait for tomorrow. I'm journaling my trade. I'm writing everything down. So later I'll still study the videos that I made. I'll still go through them, correct myself in the mistakes that I made. So that's how trade will be. That's how it should be. So whether you make profit or whether you make loss, you don't have to feel psychological traders. You don't need to feel too much happy, too much sad, because everything, you're just like a novice to the market. If you make profit, it's because it went to your favor. If you lose, that means you are wrong. Your point has been invalidated. That means what you know was not how it should be. For many times, market will do what it wants to do. So that's the main thing for today. So it will be tomorrow. I'll still make my trade.